Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor Pad 8 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to send. Sorry, misclick. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!